When trying to remove coolant hose, this is what I found. The coolant pipe is worn out and stuck inside the hose. Let's take a look. This pipe needs to be replaced. The diameter of this pipe is 19 millimeters. First, we need to extract the corroded pipe. But unfortunately, there isn't much left of the pipe to be removed properly. Removing of this pipe is not an easy work. Be careful not to break the aluminum housing, which is part of the engine head. The inner part is damaged. I am afraid of leak if I install a new pipe. However, because I didn't find spare part nearby, I will thread this hole and install a metal pipe. A half-inch metal pipe is suitable to be installed here. This 19 millimeters hole can be threaded using this half-inch threading tap, which has a diameter of 22 millimeters. The hole size diameter is usually about 85% of the threading tap diameter. For every full rotation clockwise, make a half rotation counterclockwise. The pipe is then fabricated like this. Everything is back. Fill coolant reservoir and radiator with suitable coolant and check for leaks. Start the engine and watch the temperature. There is no temperature gauge on this car, therefore you need to make sure that the cooling fan works at some point. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.